y'all riding the road. It's Saturday 14th. We're talking about yawning, and look here. That's like her third one she's did in the past 2 minutes. So we're gonna keep on talking about yawning here and see how many more times we can get her to do it. What you think? Think you can do another one for us? That's number 4.
Stop. Just don't even talk about it.
What, yawn? You know, make you want to open your mouth up wide and go. Come on, we're getting one more out of it before I turn this thing off here.
Stop, please. Stop.
He's not going to stop.
That's 4 in under 3 minutes. We missed one. She had 5, so I did that little exit clip there. So there's another one.
Please, y'all.
Come on, Mama. We got like 15 miles of video we can do. Come on, think about it. Another big yawn. You know you want to. Open your mouth and go.
Stop.
What? She's doing that for us just a minute, guys.
Got my eyes watering.
Come on, you gonna do one more for us? Look, there it is.
Stop. Quit. Okay, enough, please.
Come on, how many more can we get out of you?
No.
It's contagious, ain't it, Mama? You know it is. Look, she's trying to hide it. Look, there's another. She turns her head. Look, big old yawn.
Yes, please. Stop. Please stop, please.
Okay, last one.
No more.
No more. How many does that make? I don't know. We'll go back and count them, y'all.
Oh, my eyes are watering.
Give me one, Daddy.
Okay, enough. No more.
Why, you got one more coming on?
No.
You sure? You're positive. You know you can do it.
I did John.
Emma did one.
Stop. My eyes are watering. Stop, okay?
No, stop, Daddy.
I'm not going to do it again. I'm not.
That's what she says anyway.
I'm not. I'm going to be strong.
Yeah, Daddy did one.
3 more since I turned it off.
Stop.
Do a bunch.
No more. No more. Please stop.
What?
No.
Daddy, please stop. I'm trying to yawn. Alright, let's just stop. When I went up Cox Road the other day yesterday to go to the hospital, I really got a good look at how much.
Come on, yawn, Mama.
There's a lot of damage. Right there.
Yeah.
Are you videoing?
Yes.
Alright, stop videoing, okay?
No. I'm just listening to you talk. Okay? Keep on going.
There's another one.
Anyway.
I don't know how many. I said, me neither. We're under 15 or so.
I'm listening.
16.
I'm recording you, Daddy. So I can hear you yawn.
Why me, y'all?
Guys, funny.
What are you talking about?
First funny done. Well, now I gotta turn it off. We're here at Paco, so bye.